When you have your clip, just download it. And then we're going to switch over to our video editing program. I like using Davinci Resolve. You can get a free version and it's very powerful. What we'll do is we'll go to the edit tab and I'm just going to drop in the entire clip onto my timeline. It's going to ask me to change the project frame rate, which is fine. We're going to go into settings. Where is it? I'm going to go into settings. We're going to set the resolution to, I like to use 500 by 500 as sort of a base size for emotes. Next, we're going to make sure that we're using the full canvas. So I'm going to enable a little tool here. I'm just going to zoom in on my sussy face. I'm going to enable repeat so it keeps looping. Sort of zoom in on this and find where we want it to start. Just going to cut off the first end of that. I'm going to go to the end of it. And we're just going to delete the parts in front of it and see how this looks. I feel like this could be even bigger. We can zoom in a little further. And make sure that when I'm in the super zoom, that my face is like there. And that will be our emote. Once we are happy with the result here, I'm going to go to the deliver tab at the bottom. We're going to set the format. I like to use MP4 for stuff like this. It's just a little more compatible. We're just going to give this a name like zoom emote. Then we click at the render queue at the bottom and we click render all at the right side. And that's going to make our new edited video. The next thing we do, we go to easygif.com, not sponsored. You're going to click on video to GIF at the top. We're going to upload our video and this is going to turn it into a GIF. One thing that's important to realize is that animated emotes have a limit of 60 frames. So the frame rate that you select here is very important. The higher the frame rate, the more smooth the emote is. However, setting it too high means you're going to hit that frames limit. So I like to just start at like 16. I'm going to hit convert and see what it generates. So it says that we are using 42 frames. So we can actually go a little higher to use as many frames as possible. Now the next limit that Twitch has is 1 megabyte. So we're currently using 7 megabyte. You can click the optimize button, use lossy GIF, optimize, and that's going to take a lot away. However, probably not enough. So now we're still at 3.4 megabytes, which is way too big. So we're going to resize this. We're like triple the size we can be. So let's just take it down to 200 pixels. Obviously, the bigger the better, but sometimes you just have too much data in there. Now we're at 1.27. So if we optimize that again, we should be well below 1 megabyte. Then you just save it, which will download it to your desktop, and then we can upload it. We can go into our emotes. Now we can upload animated emote. We'll just select the file, give it a name. I have instant upload, which is great. Not everyone has it, so you might need to wait a little longer. I will just call it super zoom. I like to give myself attribution too. Make sure to follow me on Twitch. Upload, and then that's done. Then we have our new emote. So now we can just add it to our slot, and anyone that refreshes their chat is now able to spam that emote all over the screen. Spam my face, zooming in on my face everywhere. That's how you make an emote from a clip. Hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to follow me on Twitch. I'll see you next time. Bye.